Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the powerful and reliable lineup of New Holland tractors in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a tractor enthusiast, New Holland continues to impress with its advanced technology, durability, and performance on Indian farms. New Holland has been a trusted name for decades, and in 2025, they've taken things to the next level with updated models, better engines, and more comfort for the operator. One of the most popular models this year is the New Holland 3630 Texas Super Plus. It comes with a 55 HP engine and advanced hydraulics, making it perfect for a wide range of farming tasks, from plowing to harvesting. This tractor also includes the latest fuel-saving technology, which means you get more work done using less diesel. Another strong performer is the New Holland XL 4710. It's a 47 HP tractor built for tough operations. With its high lifting capacity and strong build quality, it's ideal for farmers who use heavier implements. It also comes with a powerful PTO, great for equipment like rotavators and threshers. If you're looking for something in the 45 HP range, the New Holland 3230 NX continues to be a farmer favorite. Known for its smooth handling and excellent mileage, it's especially popular among small and medium landholders. It offers great value for money, combining performance with low maintenance. In 2025, New Holland has also introduced better cabin options in many models. These new cabins provide improved comfort, especially for long working hours. Features like adjustable seats, power steering, and easy-to-use gear levers make daily tasks more comfortable and efficient. What's new this year is New Holland's focus on Stage 5 emission standards, which are designed to reduce pollution. Tractors like the New Holland 5620 Texas Plus now come with engines that are more environment-friendly while still delivering strong performance. This ISWG6 a great move for sustainable farming and cleaner air. New Holland has also upgraded its hydraulic systems in several models, making them even more efficient when using implements like cultivators, MB plows, and loaders. This improvement helps reduce time and effort during work, leading to better productivity on the field. For orchard and narrow land operations, New Holland offers compact tractors like the New Holland 3037 NX. It's perfect for vineyard farming, horticulture, and smaller areas. Despite its compact size, it's equipped with a powerful engine and durable build that farmers can trust. Another highlight of 2025 is the New Holland Smart App. This app connects your tractor to your smartphone and gives real-time updates on service, fuel usage, and maintenance alerts. It's part of New Holland's push toward digital farming, helping farmers manage their equipment better. Price-wise, New Holland tractors are still very competitive. Depending on the model and features, prices range from 6 lakh rupees to 12 lakh rupees ex-showroom. And with easy financing options and wide availability of service centers across India, it's never been easier to own and maintain a New Holland tractor. To sum it up, New Holland's 2025 range brings a perfect balance of power, comfort, and technology. Whether you're upgrading your old machine or buying your first tractor, New Holland has something to offer for every kind of farmer. If you want a comparison video between New Holland and Mahindra or Swaraj tractors, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates on tractor news, reviews, and field tests. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.